Today on what it looks like, we are going to try a chicken quesadilla. This one's from 505 Southwestern Hatch Kitchen Chicken and Cheese Quesadilla. Now, I went pretty big on this one. It's a big box. It has 12 quesadillas in here, so I'm really hoping it tastes good. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to throw 11 of them away. So let's hope for the best on this one. But it looks really good. It says it's chicken quesadillas with white meat chicken, Monterey Jack, and cheddar cheese in a freshly baked tortilla. Now, I bought this at Sam's Club. It was $11.88. So a little pricey, but not too bad. It's really less than $1 per quesadilla, actually. So that's really good. So you know the deal. We're gonna see what it smells like, what it tastes like, and what it looks like. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, just do it today. It only takes a second. It is free of charge. I do not charge for subscription. So without further ado, here we go. Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. The food on the box look good, don't it? Should you buy it, should you wait, should you jump on it? You wanna know if it good, does it taste right? Wanna try before you buy it, what it looks like. Hey, what it looks like. Hey, what it looks like. Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. What it looks like. Hey, what it looks like. All right, time to open up the box. Let's see what's the best way here. I guess it doesn't matter. See what it looks like. Oh, okay, this is nice. Like individual. There we go. Hey, it's a party. Kind of folded, like it's pretty small. I guess you have to unfold it, but we'll see here in a second. All right, let's open up this bag here, see how it looks. Okay, looks to be about the size of a regular crunchy taco from, say, Taco Bell or someplace like that. It's got the stuff in there in between. That looks nice and golden brown. That looks really good. They're really thick too. Usually I'm kind of used to quesadillas being a little thinner, but it's pretty thick. But before we see what it looks like, let's check out the nutritional facts. 12 servings per container. Serving size, 1 quesadilla. Calories per serving, 270. Total fat, 12 grams. Saturated fat, 6 grams. Trans fat, 0 grams. Cholesterol, 40 milligrams. Sodium, 680 milligrams. Whoa, that's more than I expected. Total carbohydrates, 25 grams. Dietary fiber, 1 gram. Total sugars, 0 grams. Protein, 16 grams. And now let's see what it looks like. What it looks like is not quite the way it looks on the box. I mean, you can look at on the box here, like their tortilla, like it's barely lightly brown. Whereas when you follow the instructions, this almost looked like a pancake to me. Like if you ever cook pancake in a skillet, well, I guess that's how you cook. Well, you can make it in a pancake maker, but if you cook it in a skillet, this is how it kind of turns out. Now notice how on the box, you see all the cheese is more yellow in here than in real life. It's more, I guess you see more of the Monterey Jack cheese. Let me lift it up so you can see it better. See more of the Monterey Jack cheese versus the yellow cheddar cheese in there, which that's okay. I'm not complaining about it, but it doesn't look like that on the box. Also notice you don't really see much chicken in here as you do on the box. Now on the box is the chicken just coming out of the tortilla shell, whereas in real life, I mean, you don't really see it at all. I almost had to squeeze it up out of there. In fact, if I open it up here, you can see, actually I count 1, 2, maybe 3 pieces of chicken in this entire shell here, so that's not promising at all. Also, notice on the box right here, you see that red pepper? I didn't see anything like that in here. I don't see any bits and pieces of red at all. So that's interesting. So I'm not sure what that's about, but that's missing. So overall, I say it's not a great look when it comes to what it looks like. It's just okay. It doesn't look bad, but it doesn't really look the way it does on the box. All right, let's smell it. Oh man, it smells just like a quesadilla. It smells really good so far anyway. The cheddar and the Monterey Jack cheese smells good. The tortilla, you can tell it was fried. It smells, I don't know if you can smell something being crispy, but it smells like it would be crispy. I like it. I mean, all you can smell is the cheese. It has really good aroma. Let me kind of open it up a little bit. Oh yeah, you can smell a little bit of spices in there, some cilantro even. Maybe even, I'm not sure if the box says it has cilantro, but it smells like it has it in there. So it smells pretty good. It smells edible. Definitely can't wait to try it, so. All right, let's take our bite. That first bite is not bad. That cheese tastes like like if you had some queso dip. That's what this cheese tastes like, some queso dip. Oh wow, it's pretty good though. The tortilla doesn't taste freezer burn at all. It tastes kind of fresh like they mentioned on the box. I'm pretty impressed with that. The chicken didn't have a whole lot of flavor, but overall this dish tastes really, really good. And then you think about it, it was only less than $1 per quesadilla, so that is an awesome deal. It didn't take too long to cook it, and it cooked up fresh. The only part you got to remember is that if you're ready to eat it, you got to thaw it out first. So don't take it right from the freezer and then try to cook it, because you just end up burning the tortilla. So you got to thaw it out first. Now I kind of cheated a little bit and threw mine in the microwave on defrost just to help it out a little bit. But it didn't seem to make a difference, so it cooked up really nicely. It tastes really good for a frozen chicken quesadilla. I didn't have much expectation for this meal, quite honestly. Now I do wish it had more chicken in it. Now that part is true, because it's mostly a cheese quesadilla than it is a chicken and cheese quesadilla. So they got to come up with a little bit more meat in here, but otherwise, it's not bad. Not bad at all. Welcome to the W.I.L.L Awards, where the contestants will be judged on smell, taste, and of course, what it looks like. Each contestant must score at least 20 points. And let's go to the judges on the first category of smell. So, next up is taste. And now for that all-important category, what it looks like. 6. Thank you so much for watching What It Looks Like. We are dedicated to bringing you our honest opinion about the way it smells, tastes, and of course, what it looks like. So please like and subscribe today. Don't wait. Why would you wait? And if there is a food product that you would like for us to try before you buy, please leave us a comment below. And if we can find it at our local grocery store, we will try it and show you what it looks like. no animals were harmed in the making of this video. However, they may or may not have been harmed in the making of the contestant, but we had nothing to do with that. We promise, honestly, you can trust us.